Hey guys, I'm Abbas, and today I'm dropping a Steve Harrington edit preset, made completely on Alight motion. All materials are included so you can easily recreate these edits. If this video hits 100 likes, I'll drop the preset for you all. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it.
What is wrong with you?
Hit me with the van!
Suit yourself.
Go home! I am Spider-Man.
It's quite a lot of onslaught. Joseph, now.
Okay guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this edit, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.